Alright. Well, we're going to see how much longer this one's going to last because Reno went down the way a little bit there to get a closer look. This might be the final part of it because we usually do something big at the end of this whole thing. That might, nope, not yet. We're not yet done. Thank God. I was like, wow, a minute for the last part. That's gonna really suck. Well, it seems like this one's going a little bit longer than it has been in the last few years, so that's actually pretty cool. Got more coming. I want to say real quick to my wonderful, beautiful wife, Sarah. I hope you are having an awesome 4th of July, and I miss you and I love you very much. And I can't wait for you to be home. And I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm not sure how many more there's going to be on, but I'm going to try and upload as many as I can. Hopefully over the next few days. I mean, again, this thing seems to be going longer than it has been the last couple of years because I swear to you, last year I would have recorded it, but it only lasted, no joke, at least 10 minutes. And this one's going at least, right now, if I have the total right, I think it's gone at least close to 15 minutes. And who knows, might get a 20-minute fireworks show, which would be pretty cool. Of course, I always love enjoying recording these videos. I love to record these videos for my wonderful, beautiful wife, Sarah, who she's here with me in spirit, and I hope she's having a lot of fun, and I hope that, hope I'll see her home real soon. Hope you guys enjoying these videos too. And, no, we're still not done, apparently. Good Lord. In an orange one. We're still going. I think last year they got a lot of complaints because it was so short, and everybody just thought it sucked anyway. So I think this year they said, you know what, we got enough. We can we're gonna try and do this bad boy upright. Wow. That's a one. Swizzle, swizzle, swizzle. Hope that's not their finale. Oh, still going. Be right back.